Over the past several weeks, we have seen a marked increase in the number of children coming through our emergency department and into the children's hospital having just suffered a drowning or near drowning event. In TV or the movies, we see people flailing arms, screaming for help, causing a scene. Drowning in real life is the exact opposite of that. You can't breathe and scream for help at the same time. Our bodies are designed to do one or the other when we are in distress. So we either breathe or we yell for help. Their arms don't flail around above the surface of the pool. They are actually clawing at the water underneath. So from the surface, we might not even see that. The number one thing that we can do to keep kids safe around pools is to identify a water watcher, having somebody with eyes on the children who are playing in the pool at all times, putting our electronic devices down, as hard as that is for some of us. Learn CPR. You have to know how to save a child or a loved one if something like the unthinkable happens. Know how to swim, teach your children how to swim, and don't underestimate how fast small children can get away from your vision and away from you. It takes less than a minute for a child to drown in a body of water, whether that's an open body of water or a home swimming pool. 1 minute, right? We see families who are devastated, and we see families whose lives are permanently changed, and we don't want that for any family. We don't want people to have to go through such an awful experience. And if we can help prevent those injuries from happening or that near drowning from happening, we want to do that and provide families with the best information.